Hey everybody, look at this. We just got the wood that they dropped off for us at least cut up and stacked so that we can split it, and then they dropped more, so super grateful for that. That's exciting. So we're out here with the saw. I'm going to cut these up and I'll just show you how we cut them up, how we lay them out, and when the logs are next to each other, that's strategic because then they don't want to spin as much when we're trying to split them. So I'll show you what the splitter looks like in the next video, but this is a continuation of the first video where we've got to get back, get cutting, get the saw, get the forks. Last time we used the grapple. We're going to use the forks this time because it's what I happen to have on the machine at the time. And then we'll come back another evening and we'll do the splitting. Okay, we got that wrapped up. I've got all these logs lined up. Look for our next video. We'll come out with the splitter and I will show you the, I think it's called the Atom splitter. Online you can buy them. It hooks to our planetary that it's like our auger system for the Vermeer. So look for that one. Again, if you like this video, please like and subscribe to our content. We'll continue to bring more and more. Thank you.